Alright guys, well, in the last video you guys will see that the diesel heater stopped working. Let's see if we can get this butt heater fixed. I don't know how you would even pop this thing open. Well, I can see screws, but there's no screws to get to those screws. How do you get to those screws? Am I gonna have to take this whole thing apart? This really sucks. All I have is a flat head and it's not gonna fit. I'm gonna go buy a screwdriver, see if I can get this thing fixed. Alright, I'm at Home Depot. I need something cheap. This is $1. Alright, let's fix this stupid thing. Well guys, I got this far. Got the whole back of it off. Now I need this pipe off to get cotton swab out of wherever it's stuck in here. We found the cotton swab. It's right there. Just chilling. Well guys, after a good 20 minutes or so trying to figure that out, I got it out. Had some dirt on it, but I got it out, so I'm gonna use another one. I'm gonna clean it out very properly, just to make sure this time it's done right. Alright, hopefully that's good enough. Alright guys, moment of truth. Oh. At least we're gonna be a little bit warm tonight. Just gonna put it all back together, and yeah. All right, guys. Well, I got the heater fixed. I'm gonna say fixed because it turned on, and I cleaned it a lot better than I did before. Alright guys, we are almost to my spot. I'm hoping that with my new service, I actually have, with my new data plan, I actually have service out here because I switched carriers. And I wasn't able to stay out here before, but I think I will be able to now because it looks like I got 5G, which is sweet because I can stay out here multiple times then, which is awesome. Sweet. Gonna make my bed real quick. Grab the canopy key. Got it? Almost. Okay. Whew. My keys in their spot. Gonna lay down, maybe watch Netflix or something and just hang out. Okay, I think it's time for bed. I'm exhausted. It's only 7:11. That's how tired I am. Well, I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, here's where I slept, guys. Pretty sweet spot. Now, we head to work. I am very tired. I'm still getting used to sleeping in the rooftop tent. I'm actually getting really comfortable. Last night it was 23 degrees 24 degrees, and I wasn't cold at all. I actually had my sleeping bag open most of the night, and I was like hanging out of it, which is my t-shirt. So I'm just definitely getting more adjusted to the cold. The first night I was warm, but I was also completely bundled up, so I'm definitely getting better. But only hopefully a few more weeks in the back of this thing, and then we can move on to a full-on truck build. Woo! I'm excited. Yeah, got myself some morning coffee. I have noticed that every morning, because of the cold, that I always have a stuffy nose now, which kind of sucks, and my eyes get really poofy. But got some leftover coffee from yesterday. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. A little bit of coffee. Ugh, got traffic this morning. All right, guys, well, here's how I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna rush on my way to work. I will see you guys in the next video. Leave a comment below with what you thought of this video, or if you have any questions with my setup or how I'm doing out here in North Idaho right now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace. Keep looking out, guys. Woo!